When it comes to relationships, many men feel like they need a secret weapon to make a woman become fixated on them. The truth, though, is much simpler. There's no need for manipulation or grand, over-the-top gestures. Women, just like men, are drawn to specific qualities, behaviors, and emotional connections that create attraction naturally. To make a woman not only interested in you, but even a little obsessed, it's all about being genuine, confident, emotionally intelligent, and, most importantly, respecting her feelings and boundaries. This isn't about playing games, but rather fostering a healthy relationship that thrives on mutual admiration and emotional chemistry. The ultimate goal is to build a strong connection that leaves her wanting to be around you more and more. So, how do you make this happen? There are some key areas that, when mastered, can help you create a deep, lasting impact on any woman, even if she isn't interested at first. One of the first things that women find undeniably attractive in a man is confidence. But let's be clear, there's a big difference between arrogance and genuine self-assurance. A lot of guys mistakenly think that confidence means acting tough, being loud, or constantly talking about their achievements. In reality, real confidence is quieter. It's the kind that comes from knowing who you are and being comfortable with yourself. This kind of confidence stems from emotional autonomy. Emotional autonomy means that you don't depend on others to regulate your emotions or provide you with validation. When you have emotional independence, you aren't constantly seeking approval from the outside world or from the woman you're interested in. Instead, you feel grounded in who you are, which allows you to handle life's challenges with grace. For women, this kind of emotional stability is incredibly attractive. It shows them that you're someone who won't crumble under pressure, who won't become clingy or needy, and who can provide a strong foundation in the relationship. Imagine for a moment that you're pursuing your own goals, whether it's in your career, personal interests, or physical fitness. You're dedicated to living your life with purpose and direction, and your happiness isn't entirely dependent on your relationship. This sends a powerful message to a woman. It tells her that while she may be an important part of your life, you're not relying on her for your sense of self-worth. In turn, this makes her more drawn to you because there's a certain magnetism to someone who is comfortable in their own skin. Confidence also comes through in how you handle your emotions. When something doesn't go your way or you're faced with stress, how do you react? A confident man doesn't let his emotions take control of him. Instead, he practices emotional regulation. He can stay composed in tough situations, and this ability to stay grounded and level-headed is incredibly attractive. Women are instinctively drawn to men who can maintain their cool when things get rough, and when they see that you can handle life's challenges, it makes them feel safer and more secure around you. But emotional autonomy isn't just about keeping calm under pressure. It's also about setting boundaries and knowing what you stand for. This kind of self-assurance shows that you respect yourself and that you won't compromise your values or needs just to please someone else. Women are attracted to men who have a clear sense of who they are and aren't afraid to assert it when necessary. When you can communicate your boundaries respectfully, it tells her that you're a man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to stand up for himself. Beyond confidence and emotional stability, one of the most powerful ways to connect with a woman is to truly listen to her. While it may sound basic, this is something that so many men overlook. In their effort to impress women, men often focus on what they're going to say or do, but they forget the most important part of building a connection: listening. When you actively listen to a woman, it tells her that you value her thoughts and opinions, and that's something that not everyone offers. When you're listening, it's not just about hearing her words, it's about being present. Put your phone down, maintain eye contact, and engage with what she's saying. This shows her that you're fully invested in the conversation. Women want to feel heard and understood, and when you make the effort to listen closely, it builds a deeper emotional bond. This level of attentiveness is rare and incredibly attractive because it's so meaningful, but listening is only part of it. The real key is to show empathy. Empathy is about understanding her feelings and validating them, even if you don't necessarily agree with her point of view. Sometimes she just wants to vent or express her emotions, and what she's looking for from you isn't a solution, it's support. By acknowledging her feelings and showing that you care, you're creating a space where she feels comfortable being vulnerable with you. This emotional connection is what will keep her coming back to you, because she knows she can trust you with her emotions. Now, while confidence and emotional connection are key, there's also something to be said about keeping a little mystery in the mix. Women love depth in a man, and part of that depth comes from a sense of intrigue. If you reveal everything about yourself too quickly, there's no room for curiosity. The trick is to allow her to peel back the layers over time, discovering new things about you along the way. This doesn't mean being secretive or playing games, rather it's about not putting everything on display right away. When there's still more to learn about you, it keeps her interested. She'll want to spend more time with you to uncover the parts of you that she hasn't yet explored. This sense of mystery keeps the relationship exciting because there's always something new to discover. A big part of maintaining this intrigue is having a full, interesting life outside of the relationship. When you have passions, hobbies, and goals that don't revolve around her, it shows that you're a dynamic person. This not only makes you more attractive, but it also keeps her on her toes, wondering what you're up to and eager to learn more about your world. At the same time, demonstrating leadership and taking initiative is another quality that can make a woman obsess over you. Women are naturally attracted to men who can take the lead, not in a controlling way, but in a confident, decisive way. Taking the lead means being proactive, whether it's planning a date or handling a situation with maturity and confidence. It shows that you're capable of making decisions and that you're not afraid to take responsibility when needed. Being decisive is especially attractive because it shows that you're sure of yourself. When you're comfortable making decisions, whether it's something small like picking a restaurant for dinner or something more significant, it signals to her that you're confident in your choices and in your ability to lead. This doesn't mean that you have to take control of everything, but being able to step up and show leadership in a relationship gives her a sense of security and trust. On top of that, how you handle difficult situations can say a lot about your leadership qualities. When things go wrong and you stay calm and composed, she'll admire your ability to navigate challenges without losing your cool. This level of composure shows that you're someone she can rely on, which is incredibly appealing. It also creates an environment where she feels safe and comfortable, knowing that you can handle whatever life throws your way. In addition to leadership, having a sense of humor is another powerful way to build attraction. Women love men who can make them laugh, and humor creates a bond that helps strengthen the relationship. Playfulness and lightheartedness are key here. Life can be stressful, and relationships should be a place where both people can relax and have fun together. When you can make her laugh, it lightens the mood and creates a positive emotional connection. But humor isn't just about telling jokes. It's also about being able to laugh at yourself, not taking life too seriously, and bringing joy into her life. When you're playful and not afraid to be a little goofy, it shows her that you can let loose and have a good time. This kind of lightheartedness is attractive because it makes you approachable and easy to be around. A man who can balance seriousness with fun is someone who will keep her coming back for more. While emotional connection, leadership, and humor are all crucial, physical attraction also plays a big role in building obsession. Women are naturally attracted to men who take care of themselves, and your appearance is one of the first things she'll notice. This doesn't mean you need to look like a supermodel, but it does mean that you should put a little more effort into your physical health and personal grooming. When you take care of your body, it shows her that you respect yourself, and that kind of self-respect is very attractive. Physical attraction isn't just about your appearance, it's also about your presence. The way you carry yourself, your body language, and how you move all contribute to the chemistry between you. Standing tall, making eye contact, and using confident, deliberate gestures create an aura of attraction. Women are drawn to men who exude confidence through their body language, and subtle, intentional touches can create a sense of intimacy that deepens the connection. Maintaining your physical appearance and presence is an important aspect of keeping her interested, but it's the combination of emotional connection and physical chemistry that truly builds obsession. When she feels connected to you on both levels, it creates a bond that's hard to break. In conclusion, making a woman obsessed with you is about far more than looks or flashy gestures. It's about building a strong emotional connection while maintaining your own independence, leadership, and passion. When you're confident in yourself, listen to her, create intrigue, and show her that you're living with purpose, she'll naturally become more drawn to you. And when you combine these qualities with humor, leadership, and physical presence, it creates a powerful dynamic that leaves her thinking about you constantly. Ultimately, the goal is not just to create obsession, but to foster a deep, meaningful relationship built on respect, trust, and mutual admiration. If you enjoy this video, hit that like button and don't forget to share your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Stoic Approach to Life.